We've been talking about matter in class, and we're going to go over some vocabulary words, and then we're going to look at the different types of matter. 3 definitions that I need you to remember and you need to record in your science journal. The first one, matter. It's anything that takes up space and has matter. There are different physical characteristics of matter that we're going to be taking a look at in just a moment. You also need to know the word or the term mass, which is the amount of material in an object. Volume is another vocabulary word that we'll be talking about in this unit. And volume is how much space matter takes up. Those are 3 vocabulary words that you need to know and understand in this unit. All right. So matter is made up of tiny molecules, atoms and molecules. They're very tiny microscopic particles. And these particles are constantly moving. Now here I have 3 pictures of matter, and we're going to talk about each individual one in just a moment. How fast molecules are moving determines the physical state of the matter. And these are 3 different physical states of matter, and I want you to zero in and notice the molecules in each. All right, so there are 3 different states, physical states of matter. We have solids, liquids, and gases. All right, in a solid, I have a picture here representing the molecules in a solid. And the molecules here in a solid are packed together very, very tight. The molecular movement, those molecules are so tight, they're not able to move well here. They are only really moving about enough to vibrate. Volume of irregular solids can be measured by water displacement. If you look at my pictures here, if I have a solid that is irregular, I can't measure it with a ruler or a yardstick, then you can place it in water. Notice my first container here, the water level. If I take an irregular solid and I put it down into the water, notice the water level rises. The water is displaced because of the object that was put down in the water. So you can measure this by taking the measurement here of this water and taking the measurement of this water also. So you're going to take this one, subtract this out, and then you're going to get the volume of the irregular solid. What I need you also to remember is a solid has a definite shape and a definite volume. Liquids. Molecules in liquids can move a little bit faster than a solid. They can slip past each other. I have a picture here of the molecules in liquid. And liquids take the shape of a container. Liquid volume is measured in a graduated cylinder. And another thing that I want you to remember about a liquid has a definite volume, but it does not have a definite shape. The shape changes because a liquid takes on the shape of its container. And lastly, gas. And notice here I've drawn a picture of the gas, and you can tell a difference in the molecules here than in the liquid and the solid. Molecules in a gas are moving very, very quickly. Gas molecules move faster than solids and liquids. The molecules are spread out and they're able to move very, very quickly. Gases can either be lighter or heavier than air. And I want you to remember that a gas has no definite shape and no definite volume.